Space. It seems to go on and on forever. But at the end, you get to the end, and a gorilla starts throwing barrels at you. And that's how you play the game. Michelle, baby, where you going? I hate my life, I hate my life, I hate my life. Hello? Pizza delivery for, I see wiener. Huh, crud. I always thought by this point in my life, I'd be the one making that crank calls. Here's to another lousy millennium. My God, it's the future. My parents, my co-workers, my girlfriend. I'll never see any of them again. Yahoo! Cool, just like in Star Trek. What's with the eye? Cool, an alien. Has your race taken over the Earth? Wait a minute. Is that blim accurate? My God, 1,000,000 years. You know, I guess it should be. But actually, I'm glad. I have nothing to live for in my old life. I was broke, I had a humiliated job, and I was began suspected my girlfriend might be cheating on me. Good Lord, what is this? It's my old neighborhood. Man, this brings back a lot of memories. This is where I brought my girlfriend on our very first date. My God, she's gone. Everyone I knew or care about is gone. Oh, can you leave me alone? I'm miserable enough already. No, you don't. I got no home, no family. My whole world is gone. You can't possibly understand what it feels like to be so alone. Look, Leela, I don't understand this world, but you obviously do. So I give up. And if you really think I should be a delivery boy, I'll do it.